Hello friends, it's Daryl, and today I've got a product review for you that would make a great Christmas gift for someone on your shopping list. Now everybody's got the different mugs and travel cups that they like, and you know the Yetis are pretty popular right now. We've got several Yeti travel mugs in the cupboard and around the house, and they're great. They do a good job of keeping your coffee warm and your beverages, ready to drink, and the little cup lids have sippy holes built into them, but for me, I don't need that big of a cup. Some of the Yetis we have are just absolutely huge. This is an 18-ounce Takeya stainless steel hydration bottle, we'll call it, and it's been great. I love this more than any of the Yetis. I use this all the time. Almost every day I use this travel bottle. And let me just go over some of the features with it that makes it so great. It's stainless steel, painted in a black matte finish, which, there you go, you can see the matte finish on there. Makes it very easy to grip and hang on to. It doesn't slip or slide in your hand, and it's just the right diameter or circumference to get a good solid grip on. Keeps things hot, keeps things cold. 24 hours of cold, 12 hours of hot. And I'll say that this is true. You can fill this cup up with ice, set it down, come back in 24 hours, and at least half of the ice will still be in the bottle. Hand wash only. They don't want you putting this in the dishwasher. It's insulated, has a spout lid, leak proof, maximum flow spout, easy to carry handle, comfortable to sip from, and has a limited lifetime warranty. This is really a good quality cup, and it's extremely durable. I dropped it one time. It's hard to drop it because it's got such a nice grip to it, but I did drop it one time at work from waist high onto a solid concrete floor. It hit right on the bottom edge, and let me see if I can find it here. Right there. That's all that happened from dropping it waist height while it was full. There's one little tiny dent that you can hardly see. Let's go over some of the other things I really like about this travel cup. The lid has this really nice soft rubber knurled feature that makes it really easy to unscrew. You have a good grip, it's comfortable and solid. It's even got their name embossed on the little rubber ring. Nice well-built belt clip attachment feature on it with a steel pin that goes through. This is very durable. I haven't even come close to breaking it or cracking it. It's so solid. It's quite a good deal. Two or three quick flips with the finger. It pops open. Nice wide opening to drink your beverage out of. Cleanup is easy. You can't use the dishwasher, but what I usually do is just fill it about half full of very hot water, put the lid on tight, and then shake it for a few seconds. Then rinse it out with more hot water. If I've had something that's going to leave a stain or taste in it, like coffee or some Gatorade type beverages, then I'll add just a couple drops of dish soap and the same things. Dish soap, some really hot water, shake it good for a few seconds, and pour it out and rinse it. If something's been left in there for a day or a little too long, then you use a bottle brush of some sort on it, or a sponge, a long big sponge you can stick down in there, swirl around. But it's very easy to clean. Food grade stainless steel. Excellent, excellent engineering and design on this. Another nice thing is this has a O-ring, a silicone type O-ring that seals the lid onto the bottle. And there's also a similar silicone type O-ring down in here to seal the drinking spout to the lid. I would say once every couple weeks you're going to want to pull those O-rings out and clean them too. And they both have a little hook on them. There's the hook right there. You can see a little bit of dirt starting to build up around the hook. And on the inside there's also a hook for pulling it out right here. I usually use a fork or a dull pointy instrument to you don't want to cut it, but you just want to get a hold of it and pull it out, which is hard for me to do while I'm hanging on to it. There's a little black residue in there where the soap and water can't get to. So what we want to do is we want to take that and drop it in some clear vinegar. and let it soak for a few minutes, and that'll dissolve all of the dirt and sanitize it all in one easy process. Loop, pulled it out. And that one's actually pretty nasty, so we'll drop that in there too and let it soak for a few minutes. While I had it apart, I took and rolled up a point of a napkin, shoved it down in there really hard, and spun it round and around there, and got all the little pieces of goop and residue that were way down in there out. So now we're going to take the tab up, I'm going to drop it down in there like that. I'm just going to give it a little push all the way around until it starts to go down into place. Push it down all the way around, working slowly with the flat, blunt end of something. You don't want to use a sharp end, you want to tear it. So you're going to just push it down all the way around. And then as a final thing, put the lid back in place and screw it down tight. For the small spout O-ring, it works the same way. Drop it down into place, tamp it down with a blunt edge of something, and then flip it over and screw it down tight to make sure it's in place where it needs to be. I'll put a link in the description to check it out for yourself on Amazon. There you go. All back together. Good as new. No leaks. No drips. The Takeya 18-ounce drink bottle is a highly recommended product for me, at least. And I think you might like it too. It'd make a great Christmas gift. It's available in 18, 24, 32, and 40-ounce sizes. I think the 18 and the 24 would be the best choices because of the convenient size, but certainly you could get whatever size you needed. The O-ring replacements are available for about $8, and if you lose or break your lid, the whole lid assembly is available for less than $20. But you know, that's not a great deal because the whole bottle itself for this particular size is only about $20 as well, which is really a great deal. I've been enjoying this cup a lot. Hey!